Application scope of special chiller for energy storage system. The energy storage system will generate a lot of heat during charging and discharging, and a cooling system is required to control the temperature. Our liquid-cooled constant temperature refrigerator can provide a stable cooling water source for the energy storage system, and at the same time, it can also realize the working environment temperature of the battery cluster, prolong its life cycle, and improve the protection level. During the design and development phase of the energy storage system, energy density testing is required. The ambient temperature needs to be controlled during the test to ensure the accuracy of the test results. Our liquid coolers provide them with a stable ambient temperature. Energy storage systems are usually installed in a closed environment, and the environment needs to be controlled to ensure the stable operation of the energy storage system. Our devices can provide stable temperature control for energy storage systems while controlling indoor air quality. In the operation of the vehicle energy storage system, other auxiliary equipment will be used, and these equipment also need to be cooled and controlled by constant temperature.